How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Now head to profile feed selecting the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap edit profile. Now here you will get the option to add pronouns. Simply select pronouns. Now here, currently I have added two pronouns. Before that, make sure to choose the convenient language as per your choice. For me, it's English, so I have chosen English. Now you can type in anything and you can choose if the option is available or not. And then, if you wish to show to followers, only toggle the button on or else toggle the button off and tap the tick mark at top right corner of the screen. Once done, it will be appeared on your profile. So in this way, you can successfully add pronouns to your Instagram profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.